Pressure. Let us perform an activity. Take 5 wooden boxes of almost the same size. Fill them with scrap iron to make them heavy. Arrange these boxes on a wooden table, placing them side by side. See the impact of the push force from these boxes on the table. You will notice that the table remains normal and it is not affected by the push force, that is, weight of boxes upon it. Now, rearrange these boxes on the same table, placing them towards the center and one over the other. Now see the impact. In this arrangement, the table either bends or breaks under the weight of boxes. Can you guess why does this happen? Though the force applied in both the cases is same, but in the first case, impact is less, and in the second, the table bends. This activity proves that both the force and its coverage area are important. The smaller the area on which the force acts, greater is the impact, and this phenomenon is known as pressure. We can also say that pressure is related to the force.